having a review of a project, that seems to be in vogue at the moment. I was on CoinMarketCap today and I found the Lavena project. I was like, wow. So these guys have a couple of updates to share with their community and all of that. So guys, pretty quick, we're gonna have a look at this one after the other. Okay, first and foremost, we go to the startup page. Okay, so let me use Control Z for this. Yeah. So also Control Z for this also. So this is basically how to navigate the Get Startup page. I saw someone made a post on Facebook yesterday. He said he has been able to earn as much as $1,000 through the Get Startup page. I was like, wow, how did you do it? All right. Probably because he's got some high VIP levels like VIP 6, VIP 8 levels, you know, and that must have been as a result of the fact that he's been an active trader on the platform. So guys, I'm going to show you guys pretty quick how to get those VIP levels and how to earn a decent amount of money for yourself on the Get Startup. So these are things we'll be having a look at tonight. Okay, startup page, have a look at it. For those who are likely watching for the first time and they want to know more and more about the Get Startup page, and how they can earn some income through that. So I will take my time to expose you to all that you need to know about the Get Startup page. All right. So it's going to be a very interesting ride me tonight. So fasten your seatbelt, guys. Just go ahead and fasten your seatbelt. We're going to have a very good moment together tonight. So I'm waiting for that to load up. All right. So this is the Gate.io platform. Okay, just give it a second. So this is Levana. Okay, Levana is one of the projects that is um, driving a lot of attention at the moment. So Lavender is a perpetual swap supporting high leverage and low fees on over 25 different markets. Okay, that is quite impressive, really, isn't it? So we're going to go to Get Live. Okay, so we're going to go to today's document and you can see Get Startup, have a look at that. Okay, that's quite important to us this night. For those of you who are watching me, in across different countries, like in Asia, oh, sorry about that. Asia is a continent, isn't it? So we have China. I have viewers from China, from China, from Malaysia, from Indonesia, from Singapore, okay, Thailand, and a couple of other Asian countries, even in India. Okay, to our Indian friends, I'm just gonna master to you guys, and those watching from United Arab Emirates, I'm gonna say salam alaikum to every one of you tonight, isn't it? So, maybe I should refresh this page. Okay, I don't know why it is loading so slow at this point in time. So I'm going to refresh the page, then I will navigate real quick to the Get Startup. So there's an option on the official page or at the home page, because when you go to Gate.io, you are actually going to the home page of Gate. All right. So I'd like to show you how to navigate to the Get Startup. If you're using the mobile app, then you can easily find the Get Startup on the front page of the mobile app. Okay, so if you click on this, you can see a lot of drawdown. Okay, drop down, isn't it? You can see exchange. If you click on this, you have access to over 1,400 cryptocurrencies on the Gate platform. So if you click on startup, you say token launch and airdrop platform, ventures, venture capitals for Web 3.0, NFT, find and create your own digital assets. Leaderboard, top crypto traders on the platform. You can see the help center in case you need some help. Uh, ETH 2.0 upgrade. That was affiliate program, influencer program. If you're an influencer and you like to work with Gates, okay, this is an opportunity for you. Okay, file program, VIP services, learn, Gate blog, Gate post, live stream, group, and all of that. So if you go back and click on this Gate startup, okay, this startup, it will take you to a page, gate.io/startup. That is where it's going to take you to, isn't it? So you're going to see amazing statistics, okay, amazing data on the platform. Look at this first. You can see over $101 million has been given out for free on Gate platform. Yeah, on Gate platform. That's super interesting. Okay, that is pretty much interesting, isn't it? Yeah. So they have 11 startups in progress. You can see Vapor Wallet, Agoras, and another platform. Can you see that? So it shows that every now and then there are opportunities for you to earn on the platform. Okay, at least on a weekly basis, I've been paying attention to this. You probably have access to like let me say 4, 5, 6 airdrops on a weekly basis. So the amount of airdrop you could claim depends on what you have in your VIP level. If you have a higher VIP level like 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, you have a higher chance of claiming more airdrop on their platform. But if you have VIP 0 level of maybe VIP 0, VIP 1, VIP 2, okay, you're still going to be able to claim airdrop, but not going to be as much as those higher VIPs. Maybe airdrop of maybe like 15 cents, 10 cents, $1, $2. That could be the highest airdrop you may be able to claim on their platform. So now, pretty quick, I have a couple of things too. Let me check that. All right. So we have these guys, which is Levana. Levana is building a perpetual swap, okay, that allows you to trade in over 25 different markets, including cryptocurrencies, foreign exchange, and commodities. Yeah, honestly, I've been looking for a platform that will allow me to trade this. You're allowed to trade the forex market as if I'm trading the crypto market. Like I could use 2x leverage, I could use 3x leverage, 5x leverage. All right. So I need a platform like this. Okay, honestly, I need a platform like this, and I've really been looking forward to an opportunity like this. Okay, okay, I'm looking for a platform and opportunities like this, isn't it? So imagine you could trade Euro USD, you could trade and GBP, pounds, pounds USD. You could trade even gold like metals, using like 2x leverage, 3x leverage. That is super amazing, isn't it? So, as some of these assets, you can actually open long and short at the same time and make profit on both sides of the markets if you know what you're doing. So, foreign exchange and commodities. So, Levana is an acronym of leverage and assets. Okay, Levana, leverage and assets. Because Levana perhaps is, I think leverage is LEV is leverage, then AN is for and, okay, is for any leverage any asset rather. So leverage any assets. So Levana perhaps is currently deployed on 3 blockchains, Osmosis, Sane, and Injective blockchain. So Levana traders have passed $900 million in trading volume, and Levera's market have paid out over $1 million in real yield to users over the past 4 months. That is a very incredible achievement by these guys. All right. So you have Levana's code base was audited by PegShield, one of the top guys when it comes to smart contract audit and security globally. So Levana is incubated by Delphi Labs, right, with key investors such as RNC XRP, Tribe Capital, Spartan Capital, Dragonfly, CoinFund, Parafy, and more. So these guys they are being incubated, you know, by Delphi Labs, and they have RNC XRP, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people on their list of investors. That is, these names are not names that you don't know. Okay, they are not names that are hidden. Like these are popular investors that me and you know in this industry, and they are really paying attention to this. It means that they found something, okay, and something pretty much fascinates them about this guy. Okay, so Levana was born through cooperation of the two Web3 in the incubator companies. Okay, Collider Labs, and Delphi Labs. All right. It is rare to see a project being incubated by two different labs, popular ones for that matter. All right. So now that is Nirvana. I'm gonna go back real quick to this. How to participate in this kind of airdrop is quite important to you, right? I'm going to show you. It's not hard. So there is a requirement for participating in airdrops like this. First and foremost, you have to have an account. Okay, you have to have an account on Gates, or then you log into your account. Then after logging in, complete user identity verification. Then spot assets must be greater than $10. Right. So when they say that your spot asset must be more than $10, it means that it doesn't really matter if you hold stable coins or not. It could be XRP that is worth more than $10 as at the time you are participating in the airdrop. Okay. It could be Bitcoin, it could be Ethereum, it could be Cardano, it could be Lumen, and any other cryptocurrencies of your choice. It could even be meme coin that you have. So just make sure that at the time that you are participating in this airdrop event, ensure that it is more than 10 US dollars in value. All right. So there's also risk involved in this. Okay, the startup project is still in its initial stage, where I do not really consider this as risk because you are literally getting this for free. So what you get for free, I don't think there's any risk involved in it. So factors including the operations and underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Okay, so all of these guys, they are probably a new project, all right. But come on, guys, you are getting this for free. Okay, so there's no much risk involved, in my opinion. So advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset in investment. These are just normal risk, just normal warning, isn't it? So it doesn't really affect you that much. You have the volatility of the market is high. Everybody knows that already. So the price of token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and marketing factors. Okay, so there could be a technical issue on the project, that like we had on which project was that? On DAO. Okay, Maker DAO some years back. Okay, and that actually led to a lot and lot of what? It led to a lot and lot of panic sell. Okay, so it affected the project badly. So there could be some regulatory problems. Imagine that Filecoin is presently in court. EOS was in court some other time, and they were fined heavily for selling unregulated securities in the US to the US consumers, the US market. So it could be a regulatory problem, and also the marketing factors. Also, if it is poorly marketed, then that will also affect the volatility. Okay, what you buy for $1,000 can actually crash like $70, within a span of 2 or 3 months. This is very possible. So you have to understand the inherent risk in that. So users may not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens due to technical issues of the project or Gate.io. Yeah, this is just like a disclaimer in my opinion, like you will not be able to withdraw all the purchased tokens. Okay, because they want you to trade it, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, thereby, helping to build the volume on the Gate platform. I don't know if that makes any sense to you. Thereby, you are helping to build the volume on the Gate platform. That is exactly what they want from you, right? That is exactly what they want from you. So if you're not doing that, you probably receive some free tokens, through the Gate startup. Then you decide to withdraw the tokens to your favorite exchange or other exchange. That's not fair. Okay, that's not being fair to Gate. They're not being fair to them. So it is okay if they decide not to allow you to withdraw such token from the platform. Okay, you are supposed to use that. It should be a win-win. Okay, the Gate will win, you also win. It should be a win-win kind of thing. So if Gate is giving you this all for free, so you could make money from it, then definitely you should not withdraw that token and sell on other platforms. Or probably you withdraw the token to your private wallet. Okay, so it makes sense to trade with it. Buy, sell, and trade with. That's exactly what they expect from you. Right? So it is like when you receive a features bonus on platforms. Many exchanges will give you a features bonus 50 USD, 100 USD, 200 USD, 1000 USD, 500 USD. They'll give you the so the moment you initiate a withdrawal from that futures wallet, okay, they take the futures bonus away from you. But unfortunately, this is sports. This is sports bonus you're getting. So when you attempt to withdraw it, they may actually disable withdrawal for that purpose because you are receiving the airdrop for it. So I hope that makes some sense to you, right? Okay, so I may have LVN is the ticker of Levana. Okay, we don't have the deep dive into the project right now. Okay, they have a startup supply of 500,000 LVN, and unlock rule is 100% unlock. So startup purchase price is $0. It costs you nothing to buy this. Okay, just by having some VIP levels on the exchange. Then once the sale starts, you try and participate in it. Okay. So honestly, I was able to participate in this, I believe, okay, during the sale. So you have introduction. Levana is a perpetual swap supporting high leverage and low fees on over 25 different markets, including cryptocurrencies, foreign exchange, and commodities. So Levana is an acronym for leverage any asset. Levana pairs is currently deployed on 3 blockchains. Osmosis, say, Injective. Levana traders have passed. I think I've checked that earlier on. Now this guy have a vision. Fully collateralized perpetual swaps. Okay, trade native tokens with 30x leverage and low fees. So Levana is the only platform with zero insolvency risk. So your P&L is always safe. Okay, so low cost leverage, keep more money in your pockets. Okay, zero insolvent risk, your P&L is yours. No sign-ups, trade privately on the chain. Okay, real yield for liquidity providers. Okay, that's quite impressive. No, honestly impressive. For those who are providing liquidity on the platform, according to them, they've paid out $1 million to them in the last 4 months. Okay, in the last 4 months, they've paid out such magnificent amount of money to them. Okay, that is amazing. Okay, it's amazing, really. So, I think during the era of Lunar crash, was it Lunar crash, FTX crash? A lot of traders were on FTX because they wanted to be able to make some money from that market. Okay, that was the intention. Okay, unknown to them, there was a backdoor. There was an attack. It wasn't even an attack. It was a mismanagement. That would be the right word for it. It was a mismanagement by these guys, by SBF and all of his goons. Now, funds were mismanaged and the exchange crashed with billions of dollars in users' funds. Now, it's because it is a centralized exchange. Yeah. So, so that led to the era of decentralized perpetual exchange. Okay, so what you could do on these platforms, you can also do it on a decentralized platform. So, and they appear to be safer. Okay, they may not really, in terms of liquidity and all of that, they may not be in the same level as top centralized exchanges in terms of liquidity. But come on, guys, if you know that you have the freedom to exit the market at any point in time, you can even open a leverage position for several weeks and several months without any fear that something bad will happen to the uh, to the to your position. All right. So low cost leverage, keep more money in your pocket, and they can use up to 30x leverage. And I believe they're going to be increasing this later on. Once they have more adoption, they have insane number of users. I believe this is going to change. Okay, this is going to change. So Levana was born through corporations of two Web3 incubators companies, Collider Labs and Delphi Labs. Now, let's have a look at its tokenomics. Okay, so now we've gotten, you've been able to go to the startup page and I've shown you how to claim the startup airdrop. Okay, it's quite simple and straightforward how to claim it. Okay, so first of all, sign up on the platform, have an account on Gates. Once they have minimum deposit of 10 dollars. Once there is a new listed project, you go there to claim. All right, you go right there to claim. It's as simple as that. So we have the tokenomics. And tokenomics is really a very important part of any project. Okay, I hope you understand this. Tokenomics, like I said, is a very important part of any project. Okay, when a project have good tokenomics, okay, there is a chance that that project will succeed. Okay, and I can show you a couple of projects that have bad tokenomics. Example is Cocodium blockchain, Cocodium coin. It was a bad tokenomics. It's not so good enough. There are quite a number of people complain about it. So and also ICP. ICP also has a very bad tokenomics that led to a massive crash. It crashed all the way from $750 per coin or down to about $3 or $2 per coin. That's crazy. So it means that if you have like some $1,500 investment in ICP at during the peak, then when it actually fell really bad, if not even right now, you'll be left with $90. Okay, you'll be left with $90 out of 7,500. That's crazy. That is insane. So when the token have a bad tokenomics, it's really a big problem. So for these guys now, they have token generation events. TG is 5% linear vesting over 30 months. That's good enough. Okay, linear vesting over 30 months. So when you look at that, you look at the vesting, then you divide this. You say, okay, um, let me say you receive, let me say you receive part of the token, isn't it? Then you have 100% divided by 30. That's about 3 years, isn't it? So you're going to be receiving 3.3% of whatever you buy on a monthly basis, which is a linear vesting schedule. Okay, so they have the core team. So the community will have 30%, and part of that 30% will be released, okay, through the token generation event, token sales. That's the name of the token generation event, token sales. So they have the core team. The core team will be taking 20%. 12-month cliff untouched. The coin will be untouched for 12 months, that is a year. Then there will be linear vesting over 18 months. What that means is that will be like 100% of it divided by 18. Okay, so what the will be getting is about 5.5% of what they have on a monthly basis. Okay, because it is a linear vesting schedule. Does it make any sense to you? So you have the advisor will take 8% for the advice. Okay, they also have the same cliff period as the core team. Okay, the linear vesting over 18 months is just the same way. They have contributors. Okay, who are the contributors? Okay, they have the same vesting schedule and the same cliff also as those who are the advisors and the core team members. And also the treasury. Treasury have 9%. Then you have a linear vesting of 30 months, just like the community. Then they have TGE of 2%. Okay, so that is not really a bad economics if you ask me, in my opinion. Okay, this will help in stabilize the price over a period of 2 years, even more than 2 years. Okay, that is obvious. That is evident in that tokenomics. So you have LVL governance token is an integral part of the Levana Decentralized Exchange ecosystem. It is a utility token designed to give users more influence over the exchange with various use cases and benefits. By holding and utilizing LVN tokens, users can participate in the governance of the Levana platform, access premium services, and even receive discounts on fees. Okay, I knew that most likely the holders will be able to receive some discount on fees. Just like other platforms too, okay, other centralized exchanges, if you hold more of your tokens, for those who are trading big volume, okay, those who are trading volumes like 5 million volume a month, okay, like 50 million volume a month, 100 million volume a month, it pays them to hold the exchange token, okay, to be using the exchange token to pay that fee. It pays them more, all right, because imagine someone who is paying like $50,000 on fees annually. Someone that is paid like $20,000 on fees annually and is able to cut that fee by 50%. Okay, so instead of paying $20,000 as trading fee for that year, we'll probably be paying less, maybe something around 50% of that fee. So in that way, he has been able to save quite a lot of money. All right. He has going to save quite a lot of money. That is the concept. That is the idea. So because that creates incentives. Okay, that creates some level of incentives. And whatever token that you have, you can still sell them, in a public market, at the open markets. You can still sell. So the incentives to hold, the incentives to, receiving discounts and incentives, isn't it? If you agree with me on that. Okay. I want to believe that you agree with me that receiving discounts is a form of incentive, right? So if that is the case, okay, people are incentivized to hold LVN governance token. Okay, probably in terms of decision making, you could contribute to that. Okay, then you have premium services. Honestly, I have no idea what the premium services will look like. Okay, is it like they're going to be giving you access to trade more tools or more symbols or more pairs than regular users? Okay, is it that your trading activities will be faster, or you can use more leverage than other traders, like using like 50x while others can use like 30x? I don't know really. I have no idea. I don't know. Okay, but there's got to be a premium services for them, and also a discount on fees and ability to decide the future of the protocol. So these three alone is a good and powerful incentives. Okay, it's a very good and powerful incentives that incentivize people to buy more of this LBN token. Okay, because of these reasons. Does it make any sense to you now? All right, so that is for tokenomics. No, talking about the technical overview of the project. The Lavina perhaps addresses liquidity risk and market manipulation in the perps trading. Okay, when you say perps means perpetual. Okay, perpetual. That's not perps. Right. Perpetual means it is a continuous process. So, Levana perps address liquidity risk and market manipulation in perps trading. It uses liquidity providers for asset working, replaces mark prices with spot prices, implement funding payments, based on position differences. A delta neutrality fund encourages balance, and crypto denominated pairs offers uncapped gains for long positions. Look at that. Imagine that you long your favorite meme coin. If you're probably seeing a meme coin that you like, then you decide to long that meme coin. Like you decide to long that meme coin, and when that meme coin does like maybe like 10x leverage, for instance. Okay, when that meme coin that does 100%, you're going to be having 1,000% profit on that. Okay, however, there is a risk of liquidation. Okay, you have to be aware of that. Okay, so whether you're using cross leverage or isolated, you should be aware of liquidation risk in your position. Okay, so now we're going to go to the website. Okay, go to let me even go to CoinMarketCap right now because they have a couple of events. All right, so they have a couple of events for every one of you guys. So I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap now. Maybe CoinMarketCap.com. That will search for the project if it's already listed on CoinMarketCap. We're going to check that out in the next couple of minutes. So I'm going to click on this. That will search for Levana. This is it. Okay, Levana protocol. All right, Levana protocol is right here. Okay, but honestly, it is not trading actively on the market at the moment. So if you click on about the project, you see information about it right here. Levana is a native governance token that will govern every aspect of the platform, such as which market are listed. You can make a decision on that. You can vote for or against it. Which blockchain, the protocol is deployed to, what fees are collected, and more. Okay, so how many Levana coins are there in circulation? We're gonna have a look at that. So Levana protocol launches its main token on December 18th. That was yesterday, with 70 million Levana tokens out of 1 billion issued at Genesis. So 1.7% of tokens are issued each month until month 13. Okay, starting from month 13, 4.01% of tokens are issued. each month until month 30. So token issuance is split between the Levana community contributors, advisors, team, and treasury. I believe you've seen that already, isn't it? So the emission is not bad really. Okay, it's not bad, it's not that bad. So where can I buy? Where can I buy Levana? Levana is available for trade on growing numbers of exchanges with cryptocurrency and stablecoin pairs currently available. So the main features of Levana. Okay, have a look at this. The fundamental problems you are solving is risk of illiquidity. In most perhaps platforms, you have a situation whereby long versus short, long position receive their profit through losses of short and vice versa. This generally makes sense but relies on assumption such as balanced market. So as we have seen historically, especially in extreme market conditions such as a market meltdown, this assumption may not hold and the systems may have insufficient liquidity to provide the gain traders are hope. All right. So another issue we try to address is market manipulation. With low volume markets and international VAMM and mark price approach to pairs, it becomes easy for traders to significantly move the price within a protocol. This can lead to false liquidation and ease of profit capture. Okay, now you've seen a lot about this guy, right? So I'm gonna have a look at the website. Okay, the website has a lot to say about this project. Okay, the website and also the white paper, if you don't mind. Okay, the white paper, if you don't mind. Let me see. Let me check CoinGecko if it is listed on CoinGecko. So I'm gonna check this if it is listed on the platform. Okay, let me search for Levana. Okay, this is Levana LVN. I'm gonna click on this cryptocurrencies. Okay, you can see these guys are able to track the price of Levana. Okay, so the price is not tracked. Okay, the market cap is not being able to track the price. So if you scroll down, you see the charts. I believe it is still loading at the moment. You can see. Okay, the peak price for today was about 90 cents. That was the peak price for today. It is currently trading around 0.58. That's about 58.7 cents at the moment. So you have the 24 hours volume of $2.6 million and FD, fully diluted valuation of $607 million. Okay, so I kind of like coins that have maximum supply. Okay, so I don't like coins that doesn't have maximum supply because I'm always scared of crazy amount of inflation on such projects. So this should give you a level of assurance. Okay, a level of assurance that these guys know exactly what they are doing. Okay, like they know exactly what they are doing. All right, so you could scroll down and see the general overview of these guys. You can check the maximum charts. Okay, it's a newly listed project and it is down by minus 32% since all-time high, as you can see. Okay, it is down by 32% since all-time high, as you can see. So it's still on the journey of price discovery, in my opinion. All right. Okay, it is pretty much on the journey of price discovery. And the Levana tokens can be traded on the centralized crypto exchanges. The most popular exchange to buy and trade Levana is Gates. Okay, so where the most active trading PLV and USDT has a trading volume of $1.8 million in the last 24 hours. Okay, so what is the daily trading volume of Levana? Okay, so it's been up, representing a 10,000% increase from one day ago, signaling recent rise in market activity. So there's no much data regarding the all-time high, all-time low kind of stuff. So what does the price performance of Levana compares against its peers? With a price increase of in the last 7 days, Levana is underperforming the global cryptocurrency market, which is up 1.9%, while outperforming when compared to similar injective ecosystem cryptocurrencies, which are up 0%. So you could see it on these platforms, okay, Gates and these other platforms. Maybe it looks like there is an upgrade trade opportunity between these platforms. Okay, the volume right here is also impressive. Okay, so there is an arbitrary graph. If you check it out and that gap is not closed yet, you could possibly take advantage of it. Okay, between the two platforms. So this is the website, Levana.finance. Okay, Levana protocol is an API ID and the category is under the injective ecosystem. Even though it is a product that is between Injective, Cosmos, and probably one other blockchain. I've forgotten the name of that blockchain. So if you go to the website, this is the website. Okay, the website looks pretty sleek. Okay, looks pretty sleek and it's easy. One of the easiest to navigate website I've ever seen in the crypto space. So if you want to learn about this guys, you can go to their blog because blog is where they post regular updates. Okay, regular update about their projects on a regular basis. Can you see that? So this is it, guys. Fully collateralized perpetual swaps. Okay, trade 80 tokens with 3x leverage and low fees. Levana is the only platform with zero insolvency risk. So your PNL is always safe. So if you want to start trading, you can click here to start trading. So supported by Osmosis, Woodstock, Animoca Brands, Delphi Digital, Dragon Capital, Parafai Capital, Tribe Capital. You can see all of these. These are their sponsors. Their sponsors, their investors, and people that support the project. Okay. So it's designed to save you money and protect your profits. Who doesn't like to save money here? No one. Okay, no one. Everybody likes to save money, in the best way possible that they could. Okay. And honestly, I've never seen anyone on heart who doesn't like to save money. Okay, so low cost leverage, keep more money in your pockets. Okay, zero solvency risk, your PNN is yours, 100%. They have no sign-ups, trade privately on chain, which is as simple as that. So you can see their mobile app looks pretty sleek and how do you earn on the platform? Okay, real yield for liquidity providers, multiple adjusted options, and farm opportunities is coming soon on the platform. So you can also farm tokens on the platform. So join our community, on Discord and also on Twitter if you'd like to check that out. All right, so you can see. So I'm going to check their blog post to see what is up on their platform. So they have a blog on Medium. You can see having 2,000 followers at the moment, despite being a new project. So I think this was pinned. Okay, this was pinned intro to their project, catalyst for Levana's remarkable growth on Osmosis. Upcoming Levana airdrop, that is it. So if you want to participate in the airdrop, you could actually check that out. For those of you that like to hunt for airdrop, this could be an opportunity for you guys for delivery. So leverage any low liquid tokens. Okay, reviewing with this mini bull run and improving settings on the osmosis brackets. Okay, so you could trade low liquid tokens on the platform. They are going to allow you to do that. So liquid stake asset and Levana leverage trading on osmosis. You can see that. So what you can see from their post, from the articles on Medium is the fact that these guys have been around for a while. Okay. Okay, they've been working around the clock before their actual launch. Okay. So if you check this out, you will see that. So if you check this out, you will see that they've been around for a very long time, since way back 2022. Look at that. So it's not a period that just started yesterday. No, it is not. Okay, it's not a period that just started yesterday. And you begin to wonder, what are these guys actually doing differently? Okay, so they started way back 2021. Okay, that is part of the deep dive you're talking about. Okay, part of the deep dive you're talking about. They started way longer than most projects. So before the centralized perpetual became a big deal. Okay, because before it became fashionable in the crypto space, these guys have started their own program. They started their own okay, they started their own program. They started their own exchange. All right. So they've been around for a while, and this is an evidence of it is time stamped since over 2 years. Okay, since over 2 years, guys have been around, And I want to believe that they know what they are doing. Okay. I want to believe that they know what they are doing because it's not easy. That's the truth. It is not easy. So they built before they started making any noise whatsoever. Okay, they built, and unlike other projects that will be making noise before they even start of building. So it is not surprising. See, I'm not surprised that they have investments from top guys within the industry. I'm not surprised, really. Are you? I'm not surprised. So you can check their blog, to read a bunch of stuff about their project. Now, let's see. Uh, I'm going to search for decentralized lives perpetual exchange. Okay, so you can see the leaders. You have GMX, also around for a while. You have the best decentralized perpetual exchanges in 2023. Okay, so you have to look at how these guys, they have competitors, isn't it? There is no doubt they have competitors. Can they survive the competition? Okay, do they have a unique selling point that will allow them to survive that competition? That is also another question. Okay, do they have enough competition that will allow them to survive? Okay, to survive it. Okay, that's also a very big question, isn't it? Okay, so you have to take note of that also, right? So it's been a nice time reviewing this with you, honestly, and I really enjoyed every moment, every minute, every hour of doing this with you guys tonight. Okay, and I believe you've actually learned something from this review. So before you get into any project, you have to do a deep dive, a thorough review. Okay, you have to know how long they've been existing. So these guys have been around for a while, honestly, and I really appreciate that. It feels really impressive. That come on, guys, they know exactly what they. So they built before creating the hype. Okay, so if you check them out on CoinGecko, all right, and you see a market cap of the market cap is not even reported yet. Okay, you can see it's not even reported yet. So what it is quite easy to calculate the market cap if you have an idea of the current circulating supply. So you could easily multiply the market cap, sorry, the current circulating supply multiplied by the current market cap, and that will give us. So it's still pretty much a low gem, if you ask me. Okay, they have supporters, they have investors, it can be used across three different blockchains. They've spent a lot of time in building this infrastructure. Okay, and they were audited by Berkshire, one of the most reputable Web3 auditors that we have globally. So that's a big deal also. Okay, that's a lot of big deal. Okay, so you need to, check this out at your own leisure time and see if there is something you could make out of this. Because a time will come. Do you know why? Do you know when most of these tokens always rise in value? They rise in value when there is a catastrophic event in the crypto space. When there is an arc, okay, people tend to shift to platforms like this. And for the fact that a lot of centralized platforms, they're always having a mandatory KYC. Okay. Because of that mandatory KYC, attention is shifting gradually to platforms that will not mandate that. So attention is shifting gradually, isn't it? Okay. It's shifting gradually. So you have to pay attention to stuff like this. So it makes sense, when you look at these guys probably around let me say 2 million, $5 million market cap, it shows there's going to be a lot of improvements. Okay. So unfortunately, even on coinmarketcap.com, there is no report of the current market cap of this project. But I believe in the next couple of weeks from now, okay, we'll be able to have access to uh, this information on CoinMarketCap and also CoinGecko. All right. So guys, it's been a very nice time. Okay, so I'll be able to show you the startup page, how to claim startup airdrop, okay, and I've done a deep dive analysis on this project. Okay. The reason why I will not be able to analyze it technically is because we may not have much data on the chart. Okay, let me even go to trading view right now. Let me go to tradingview.com. So this is tradingview.com. Then I'm going to search for LVN USDT on the platform. Okay, LVN USDT. Okay, on the platform. So it's available on PancakeSwap, on some other platforms also. So I'm going to check this out. You can see the chart is still fresh, like a freshly baked chart. Look at this. Just one day. Yeah. Okay. It is even less than 24 hours. So it has pumped massively, and this is current price. It's pumped all the way to 1.48. Now it's trading around 0.58. So if you're able to buy, if you're able to get around 0.4, 0.2 level, that would be very, very close to the floor price for this token. Okay. That will be very, so by the time you launch the farming, there will be more demand for people that want to use the token to farm more token on the platform. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you've gained some value from it. So bye for now and have a great day. Bye.